my good people, it's Selena Cooks here. So guys, I'm going to pick up my phone, the one that my very own supportive brother at Epic Chacha got me. Guys, honestly, I'm really excited right now. I can't wait to see my phone. Honestly, I just can't wait to see my phone. So I'm going to the inner coach parcel offices to pick my phone. Yeah guys, so come with me. Oh yeah, let's go guys. I'm going to pick up my phone guys, so come with me. I'm also going to show you the environment around here. So guys, it's a bit sunny over here. Guys, it's a bit sunny over here. Remember in the coastal area, so it's a bit sunny. Yeah. Sorry guys. And it's so hot. Let me show you the area around. Hey guys. Hey. It's a bit sunny guys. Just look at the area around here. Yeah, and I have my friend there. So guys, it's so hot. It's so sunny. Yeah. So I'm just walking. But in a while I'm going to board a boda and go to the EpicChachaOfficial offices. Yeah. Guys, the office is a bit far guys, so I'm walking. I just want to walk for a while, then just take a boda there, because when I take a boda from here, they're going to charge me high. So I'm just walking, and I have my friend here. Victoria, say hi. Yeah, come with me guys. Yeah, here's the area guys. Guys, let me just show you the area around here. This is the Savo Lodge guys. Yeah, you know where I stay is near the Savo East National Park guys. Yeah guys, I'm not getting on a boda. So guys, I'm just going to show you the area around here. So this is it guys, and it's like it wants to rain or something. It's about to rain. Yeah guys, it's a bit far. The EpicChachaOfficial offices are not around, like they're not near here, they're a bit far from my house. So hi, it's about to rain guys. Come with me. Hey, sorry guys. So now I'm heading to the EpicChachaOfficial offices right now. mwaka jana. Mpaka unashindwa like wako na shida gani? Sasa sijui utaningoja pia nirudi.
Sawa.
Let me take my phone. Guys, I'm here. Yeah, I'm here guys, so let me see. Just came to pick up my phone guys. Yeah, oh. I'm so excited. Here's my phone. Yeah, here it is guys. I can't wait to see my phone. And meanwhile, let me show you around. This is where I stay guys. Let me show you around. This is my town where I'm at right now. So let me just give you a quick video of my town. Just showing you around guys. My town. Small town, but it's a very peaceful place guys. You can just visit, and also we have a park here. It's a national park. Yep. Let me just show you around. Guys, you should visit my town. It's hot over here, but you should just visit. We have a park here. You can just come visit, see animals. If you're a lover of wildlife animals, you can just come and visit. And just go to the park and see the animals. Actually, the park is just around where I live.
Nakwanga ni vizuri ukipewa unafungua kwanza wakati.
As I told you, this is the road guys that goes to the park. EpicChachaOfficial National Park. Yeah, it's the same road guys. You should just visit this place. I'm telling you, it's the most peaceful place. Hey guys, I'm here. Hiya, Santi. Guys, I'm here. Already taken my phone. So I'm just going to the house. Hey guys. I just can't wait to open my phone. Look at my phone guys. This is my phone. It's my phone guys. Hey, I just can't wait to show you my phone. Tired guys. I'm very tired. Hey, let me just close the gates. Yeah. Hey guys, this is where I live. It's not a bad place. So this is my humble house. What should I say? A humble home or house. So again, let's check out this one guys. So guys, let's unbox this new phone of mine that my brother at Epic Chacha bought me. And honestly guys, I'm so excited. I can't wait to see this, honestly. And I'm happy right now because I don't know what to say, because my brother doesn't even have this kind of phone. But guys, you know, he sacrificed so much to buy me this phone. So let's check it out, guys. Let's check it out. Let's open this. I'm using it. Let's open this phone. Hey, it's really sealed. My brother really sealed this box, guys. Guys. Okay. Let me open this box. I can't wait to see this phone, honestly. Hey guys. Hey. Where? At Epic Chacha, I really feel this box. Hey, it's giving me a hard time. Now, let me see. Hey, finally, guys. Hey, just look at my phone. Here's my phone, guys. What? Just look at my phone, guys. It's a Techno Spark 20 Pro Plus. Look at my phone, guys. I'm already excited right now. Really excited, honestly. Okay, so let's open these up. I hope I don't. Okay, guys. So we have a 12 plus 1 months warranty. Okay. So, guys, here's my phone. Hey. Just look at my phone. Look at the features, guys. I'm just excited right now. I'm really happy. Let's check it out. I'm very happy with this. Honestly. Let's check this out. Where? Guys! Look at this! Guys, look at my phone. I'm telling you, at Epic Chacha, honestly, thank you. This is the best gift you've ever given. Let's remove this one so you can see it clearly. Let me be careful, guys. So, here's my phone. Look at the camera, guys. Guys, and it's really slim, guys. It's so good. It's nice. Guys, hey, where? So guys, I'm really excited. Let's check other things. So, here the earphones, the charger. Hey guys, just take a look at my phone. You can now expect clear videos from me. Brother Epic Chacha, thank you so much. I really appreciate your efforts, your support.
And it's our choice what we do next.
I think it's so good.
Scientists, robotics experts, and designers. Ada perceives the environment through cameras in her eyes. algorithms process the information and provide impulses for joy.
How we want to implement this.
Machines.
Hey guys, hey, I'm really excited, honestly. This is the best gift I've gotten this year, honestly speaking. Epic Chacha. To my brother at Epic Chacha, honestly, I really appreciate this gift you got me. Thank you so much. I appreciate the efforts you're putting to support me through my YouTube journey. Honestly, thank you so much. May the Almighty Lord bless you. Guys, I'm excited right now. I'm just happy to see my phone. I don't know how to say. It's an Epic Chacha. Thank you so much. Honestly, thank you so much for the support. I really appreciate it. So, guys, see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.